Are you a passive health reactor, or are you showing up in your life as an empowered health leader? So let me describe a little bit about what the difference is between being a passive health reactor. This is very common. You're somebody who knows that perhaps you have some unwanted symptoms, some kind of nagging, pestering things like anxiousness, digestive bloating, discomfort, perhaps even headaches or insomnia, things like that, lower energy than ideal, and yet not necessarily taking proactive steps to improve or not sure what to do. You're somebody who hopes, that your health will stay strong and consistent and steady for the long term. You're somebody who kind of expects your health to be just like those around you, other women that you see your age, kind of in society, kind of ready and comfortable with the norm. And it's very comfortable, very consistent, just kind of it is what it is. You then, first of all, no one's to blame. You're not alone. In fact, you're just like the majority of the people in our world. Statistics show that 80% of women will be diagnosed with 2 or more chronic diseases by the time they're age 65. That's kind of crazy. We're just set up on a trajectory. If we just do what everyone is doing around us, we're set up on a trajectory for chronic disease and just poor health, especially in our later years. So if you want to change that trajectory and become an empowered health leader,